Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, it's quite snowy out, as most of the country has been this
Yep.
past week or so. But yeah, you want to tell them what we're doing?
So today we are going to be making a DIY salt brine mixture using products that you can just find in your household. So we will be mixing it up and spraying it with our PetraTools HD 4000 backpack sprayer. Okay guys, so to start off, we'll be using this 1 gallon pitcher for all of our measurements and our water mixing our solution. You don't have to use 1 gallon. If you want to multiply this by 2 gallons or half a gallon, just change the measurements as you need. So we will be filling this pitcher up with hot or warm water, and then we will be adding rubbing alcohol. This is 70%. It does call for 90% or more. This is just more diluted, so we're just probably going to use a little bit more of this than what is called for, but you will be using 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol in your water. Next is Dawn dish soap or any type of dish soap, but you will be using 1 teaspoon. So we are going to go ahead and add this, but because we are using 1 gallon, it will be 2 teaspoons and 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to go ahead and add our alcohol in here, and this is 1 tablespoon. Again, we're going to use 2 because we have a gallon, so use 1 if you're going to use half, and then if you're doing different, then you can change it. But we're going to go ahead and just pour 2 of these into our 1 gallon. We'll just set that to the side and then use our Dawn dish soap, 2 of these. We'll just pour it in here. And also I did want to mention, if you're using any type of chemicals, obviously make sure you use your PPE. These are household products, so we're not too concerned. But also we do have our sprayer inside. Don't bring your sprayer inside if you've used it, especially with chemicals and pesticides. Ours has never been used before, so we're not too concerned about it. But yeah, I just wanted to disclaim that. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. We're not making too big of a mess, but yeah, let's go ahead and put it into our sprayer. But I did want to mention with this Petra sprayer, if you come down here, it does have this strainer in it, which is nice. We figured if we were to use some type of rock salt and make our own mixture, this would be nice to collect the salt pieces. We knew whenever we were looking at different home mixtures, people use the salt and then they had to strain it before putting it in, but this is really nice to have. Okay everyone, here is our little patio here. We are going to shovel it off and then we'll be spraying it, but yeah, and also I was thinking we could leave one little section with the snow just to see how it reacts with the snow versus just like the plain concrete. Yeah. Light it up, light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up, light it up. Here is after shoveling it. We just left over there. We're not going to worry about that. But we did leave some of the snow just very lightly. Of this dust. We're going to see if this will melt it at all. Yeah, also look at the sunset. Yeah, I love it. Yeah. But yeah, Abby's going to try that. Okay, so also I just did want to mention as well, if you do not have like a backpack sprayer, you can use a normal pump sprayer. Or even if you don't have a sprayer at all, you can use like a watering can that you would use to water your flowers. You can also use a milk jug, anything that you have. Yeah, especially since some people might not have this in their budget, especially if you're just a homeowner, you might not get snow that often. So yeah, and after all, this is DIY, so yeah, you just use whatever you have. Exactly. So yeah, Abby's going to try that. And the nozzle for this is the fan type. We thought maybe that would help spray evenly along the surface.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and get this started up. By the way, we also have never used this before, so
Yeah,
just take it easy
yeah,
on us.
yeah. Don't be too hard on us in the comments. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys. Okay, turn it off. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to.
We need a wrench.
Yeah, we're gonna have to redo that. We'll be right back, guys. Well, is it working on the snow?
Okay, I think that's working.
Okay, yeah. Should we just try that?
Yeah.
It looks like it is working on the snow, so
Yeah.
what do you think we tested out?
Yeah, so also, we didn't put any, like, Teflon tape on this.
Yeah.
So that is obviously probably why it's
And it
spraying
did
out
come with a
again.
roll of tape, didn't it?
Yeah, and we didn't put it on tight enough, but that's why we're practicing with something safe.
Exactly.
Instead of, like, pesticides or something.
Yeah. Okay, need me to turn it on for you?
Yeah. We can fix that. Sorry.
Okay, how does it feel first before we start it?
Yeah, I think it feels really comfortable. I don't even. It's kind of like our leaf blowers.
Mm-hmm.
Really doesn't have any issues or not uncomfortable or anything.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh wait, it is on.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go ahead and start over.
Sorry guys, we might seem a little dysfunctional, but...
Yeah. It smells like dish soap.
Yeah, it does. It smells like Dawn.
Okay, so first impressions. It did kind of melt some of that snow. I don't know. Like, it's not like as instant, obviously, but we will be checking up on this later to see if it does form any ice or anything.
Yeah.
I know some people on other videos, when they made this mixture, they were concerned that it'd be so slippery because the water might freeze or because of soap. I mean,
Yeah.
It's not really slippery at all.
No, it's not. So, we might wait a second and then we'll put another layer on, do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. We're gonna try this again, and just see how it works. Right there, already, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, you can really see kind of where it's working at, especially over there where we did our first spray of. It does feel kind of slippery now, like over here. Obviously, you can kind of see where it's like that soapy
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't
type
turn to
texture.
ice.
Yeah. So Jackie, what are your first impressions of just putting that on?
I think it's pretty comfy, like you said.
Yeah.
Like, comparing it to like our backpack blowers, I guess.
Yeah,
that's
it
the only
feels
thing we can really
very
compare it to.
similar.
Yeah, it feels similar. It doesn't feel like it's gotten anywhere.
Yeah. Also, because we never have used a backpack sprayer, an electric backpack
Yeah.
sprayer, I didn't realize it was gonna be as noisy as it was.
Yeah, that was
But it's
surprising.
yeah, it only makes noise whenever you press the nozzle there. So
yeah, and also it sprayed out a lot more than what I was thinking. So
yeah, I thought it was just gonna be a mist for that nozzle, but I really do like this fan nozzle tip
yeah.
for applying this.
Yeah, I think this one is like the perfect nozzle for it.
Yeah. So let's go ahead. I think we are going to go spray over there because we did finish right there.
Yeah. Or we can just do this half and apply
yeah,
another
let's
one.
just reapply another one. We can always worry about that one. Yeah. Yeah, let's go ahead and see.
Okay. I think we're getting low.
Yeah.
But
Yep, it's starting to kind of sound low.
do you think it's working now?
Yeah. I mean, it really does look like it is working.
Okay.
But we'll definitely come back later, even tomorrow.
Like maybe in the morning we can check it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think you're about empty.
Yeah. So I don't know, guys. Let us know what you guys think. Is this a fail or is it something we can do again?
Yeah. Okay, guys. So again, this is the Petra HD 4000 electric backpack sprayer. Petra was kind enough to send us this to kind of use out, review, give our opinions. Obviously, we haven't really had much just from spraying this little patio here, but we will definitely be using this later on in the future. We can't wait to try to see what else we can spray. And then we will be doing another video kind of giving an overview of this, showing all the nozzle tips that it came with, and just showing some of the key features of this backpack sprayer.
Yeah. Again, like Abby mentioned, I really want to say thank you to Petra. They were kind enough to send us this and try it out. And we wanted to try it out to show you guys our own thoughts of it.
Yeah, and that you can use a backpack sprayer any time of the year.
Yeah.
So
yeah, we were like, it's snowing and we wanted to try it before, but then it just kept snowing, but then we thought of this idea. So
yep.
Hopefully it works out.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys back whenever we look at the results of this. So that'll probably be in another video.
Yeah, we can do a part 2.
And
just
then
like
and then we'll
update.
also show kind of our overview of the sprayer.
Yeah, I think so.
So we'll see you guys next time.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for watching.